back to some of the beat.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by the brand called Luisa. They wanted to work with me, so they reached out to me via email and asked me to go on their website and pick a few pieces to show you guys. But before I show you guys the pieces that I selected, I want to brief you guys in on everything you ought to know about this company. So the company that I'll be featuring in this video is called Luisa. They are a sustainable jewelry company based in the United States that creates elegant pieces with solid recycled gold and recycled sterling silver. They also have gold-plated bras. One fun fact is that it takes 20 tons of earth mining to produce one ring of gold. That is crazy, like that is mind-blowing. All their jewelries are ethically sourced. Their prices are also very fair compared to other brands out there. Their prices range from $39 all the way to higher end prices. They do have fine jewelry on their website, so there is definitely something for everyone out there. Another thing I want to say about this company called Luisa is that all their products come from the same jewelers such as Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton. So be rest assured that you'll be getting exceptional quality from this brand. This brand also offers a complimentary 1-year warranty on all of their products. So this just goes to show that this company called Luisa stands by all their products and everything that they have to offer. The brand also grows and harvests their own diamonds. How crazy is that, okay? How crazy is that? This brand promises that all their jewelry pieces are going to last a long time and are tarnish free. So now let's see all the pieces that were sent to me, and I'm also going to show you guys some close-ups of the jewelry pieces. So if you want to see the pieces that I selected, then please keep on watching, okay? So yeah, the package came via DHL, as you guys can see, and when you open this up, you get just this little box, okay? So this is how the inside of the packaging looks like. I hope my camera is picking this up, but it looks like this. And then inside there you just have a thank you card. So I'm going to read what is behind the thank you card. And it said, we've always had a thing for silver linings and gold ones too. So thank you for thinking of us as a small way to brighten a day. Hit pause and enjoy little moments of beauty. Take a deep breath and let it all go. This is what this thank you card had to say, which I thought is very sweet. And it just adds a personal touch to this packaging. So yeah, the company asked me to pick 3 pieces of their website, and all their pieces come in this velvety pouch, which I feel is very soft and very, very good for the jewelry. It just prevents your jewelry from any damage, and then it just makes it last longer. Basically, instead of just, you know, tossing your jewelry on a table or anything, you can just put them inside those little pouches that they've created and just preserve the life of your jewelry, basically. So I'm going to start off with this piece right here. So this piece is actually a collaboration that Luisa had with a YouTuber called Michelle, and I think they created other jewelries. They created both a pair of earrings, necklace, and I don't know if they also created a bracelet. That one I'm not sure, but I decided to pick the Michelle earrings. I wanted to get the necklace set, but the necklace set was low in stock, so I just decided to pick only the Michelle earrings. So yeah, this is the set from Michelle X Luisa. And then when you open this up, this is what this jewelry looks like. Can you guys see how gorgeous this jewelry is? It is so gorgeous. And then it has Luisa inscribed on there. And at the back of the tag, it says, they look good attached to me, even better attached to you. How sweet, okay? And you guys need to know that this is 14 karat gold. So yeah, I'm going to put this on for you guys to see. But before I do that, the reason why I chose this earrings here is because you more or less just get like 2-in-1, okay? Not only do you get the hoops, but you're also getting like a coin disc thing going on here. So it just spoke to me, like having 2-in-1 is fantastic. Like you don't only have the look of a hoop, but you also get this coin disc thing going on. So yeah, I'm going to put this on so you guys get to see how this jewelry stays on my ears. So if you want to see that, then please keep on watching. But this is what the pair of earrings look like together on my ears, and I absolutely love this jewelry. I love these earrings so much. You can just wear this on a casual day out, or if you're going for like a party or anything, you can just put this on and then you're good to go. So yeah, you can pair with just anything. You can just wear this outfit, this off-shoulder outfit I have here, and then you're good to go. So yeah, so that's that about the Michelle X Ana Luisa earring. So guys, the second piece of jewelry that I picked out from this company's website happens to be a necklace, and once again it comes in this, you know, velvety pouch, and the color of this one is actually different from that one. So when you open this up, this is how the next jewelry comes. It just comes like this. Jeez, this is gorgeous. Like, I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this jewelry, but this is super reflective. Can you guys see how reflective this necklace is? The chain is made of really high quality. The pendant has a good amount of weight to it. It's nothing heavy at all. It is just gorgeous. Like, I love this piece so much. Like, can you guys see how gorgeous this is? It's super reflective, and on the tag it just says Ana Luisa, and it says, "Your jewelry has been handcrafted to last. We wish you many happy times together." So sweet. So this is what this jewelry looks like. I'm going to put this on now for you guys to see. Another thing that I noticed about this chain is it has the company name inscribed onto the bar of the chain, which just says Ana Luisa. I'll try to do a close-up. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is written there, Ana Luisa. So I'm going to put this on for you guys to see what it looks like. I'll be back. Alright guys, can you guys see how gorgeous this necklace is on my neck? It is super reflective and it's just gorgeous. The pendant has a good amount of weight to it. It's nothing cheaply made. The chain is also made of really good quality metals. It is so beautiful, super reflective as well. The reason why I chose this necklace is because I wanted something to like remind me every single day to learn how to love myself more. So each time I'm going out, I can just put on this necklace and just have this self-reminder to like love yourself all the time. So that's why I actually reached out for this necklace. The name of this necklace is called the Lev necklace, and it retails for $59 on their website. In Naira conversion, that is 24,200 Naira. Okay, you can wear this necklace just as it is with this Michelle earrings. You can just wear like an off-shoulder dress that I'm wearing here, and then you pair this up with this necklace and the Michelle earrings as well. The Michelle earrings actually retail for 30,700 Naira. In dollars, it retails for $75 on their website. Okay, so yeah, that's that about this necklace. So the next piece and the very last piece that I have to show you guys is the Cardi set. So if you want to see what that looks like, then please keep on watching. So this is the Cardi set right here. This is my absolute favorite piece from all the pieces that I chose. I love this set. Can you guys see how gorgeous this necklace just lays on my chest? It is beautiful. I love this little gold details going on here, this gold beads here. I love this gold beads on this necklace. I love the way this one layers on. It's just in the perfect position. It is so reflective, super shiny. You guys, the quality of this necklace is just stunning. It is stunning, you guys. Like, it is so beautiful. My God, like, I'm speechless. This is all 14 karat gold. I mean, this Cardi set here retails for $125 on their website. In Naira, this is 51,200 Naira. And I feel like it's a pretty good deal. I mean, you're getting 14 karat gold. you honestly can't even beat the price. Okay, this is wonderful. This is just you guys, like, it's gorgeous. Like, I don't care what anybody tells me, like, this is just beautiful. This is my favorite piece out of all the pieces that I've chosen, because it's just, words can't even explain the joy here. This necklace is fabulous. Like I said, you guys, this is the Cardi set necklace. You can honestly just wear them individually. You don't even have to layer these two pieces together. You can just wear this one and then leave the other one, or you can pair them up together, or you can wear this one on its own. However you want to style them, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to layer them like this. They can just go on separately at any point in time. You can put on any dress, this off-shoulder dress that I'm wearing to whatever. You can wear anything with this jewelry. Okay, this jewelry is just stunning. Like, anything goes, any outfit goes with this jewelry. Okay, so yeah guys, that's for the Cardi set. Guys, so these are all the pieces that I selected from their website. Unfortunately, I cannot put on the Lev necklace on, but this is the Michelle earrings and this is the Cardi set. And the other one that I showed you guys before the Cardi set is called the Lev necklace. So, yeah, you guys, I also have a discount code for you guys. Ana Luisa was kind enough to create a discount code you guys can use to get some money off. And my discount code is Kiki10 for 10% off your orders. All the links to the company's website as well as my discount code will be down in the description box. So make sure you go check out this company. Follow them on Instagram at Ana Luisa. Go check out their website and purchase a high quality jewelry piece for yourself. Even if it's just one, just go get one. Okay, lastly, I want to say thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Thank you for wanting to work with me. Thank you for sending me these fabulous pieces. So yeah, you guys, go check them out on Instagram. I hope you guys love all the pieces. Let me know your favorite piece down in the comment section. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.